Hello guys, once again it is I, Zayap Guy. Welcome to Types of Programmers 4. This video is dedicated to the channel reaching 1000 subscribers. Although we are almost 2000 in the time of recording this. It is unbelievable, and I thank you all sincerely. Honestly, thank you. In this video, we only have things that were submitted by you guys. So, let's start. Number 1. The Simplest Mistakes, suggested by Astro Oscar and Ayush's Magical World of Science. We all make mistakes, some of us more than others. But some of us just make the smallest and simplest mistakes ever and try for hours on end to try and fix it. I've been trying to solve this for an hour now. What's the issue?
Bruh.
I'll add another variable, maybe that will fix it.
Bruh.
Let's try it now. Still doesn't work. We could rewrite this.
Bruh.
Let's import a library. What could the issue be?
Bruh.
Number 2 is the Stack Overflow, suggested by Enchico and Enzo De Grivi. Stack Overflow is a helpful website to learn how to do something or fix something about your code. Most programmers depend on it to live, but some are addicted. Alright, it's time to start programming. Wait, how did you declare variables again? Okay. Wait, how did you add numbers again? I forgot. Okay, now I get it. Wait, how did you print in C sharp? Like that. Okay. Number 3 is the Overthinker. This one was suggested by Vaxi. Programming is hard. We programmers must think about how we approach writing some code before actually doing it. It is very important for big programs, but we shouldn't really think on it too much on the simple things. Alright, time to write an app that combines two numbers together. This might be hard. I should think this one through. Alright, so the program has to combine two integer numbers and maybe 2.8 and a different different version. Combine two integer numbers and two integer numbers and turn them into a string. Aha, got it. Perfect. Number 4 is the tester, suggested by Andre Yaz. Writing tests is an important thing for a production environment. Without tests, we don't know if our code will break after a while, but some people just take it too far. I just wrote this code, but I'm not sure if it will work. Oh, I know what to do. Yeah, tests. Yeah, tests are always important. Number 5 is the programmer in a hurry, suggested by Spaceman00. Programming takes a long time. Coding even the simplest feature takes a billion years. We code for a long while, run it, fix errors for a while, but some of us don't have that time apparently. Number 6 is the uni graduate, suggested by Lemiru. Imagine this scenario. You just graduated from university and are looking for a job. You finally land an interview and you finally start on the first day. This is the conversation that happens. Hello, Blank. Welcome to Job Incorporated. We are sure you will love it. So I know in your resume you said you knew this language, but we need you to use this other one. I'm sure it's fine. Also, you need to learn this framework we didn't tell you about. Oh, and as your first task, you have to rewrite the foundation our entire code base is based on. Should take 1 hour. Good luck! What the hell? Number 7 is the script kiddie, suggested by It's OWO. I'm not saying that. Hackers. Very skilled programmers who can find exploits and use them. And there's little children who want to be hackers who use the scripts that the hackers wrote and call themselves hackers because of it. We call them script kiddies. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Thank you for all the support. If you like this video, consider subscribing. If you want to leave feedback, leave a comment or join our Discord from the link down below. I hope you enjoyed this video. Zaip guy out.